Join me as I challenge myself to earn my first $1,000 in affiliate marketing within just 1 month. Welcome to today's video, where we're going to talk about one of the most exciting and lucrative ways to achieve financial freedom: affiliate marketing. I'm super excited to share with you why affiliate marketing has become so popular and how it can help you unlock the life you've always dreamed of. We've all been there, stuck in a job that doesn't fulfill us, living paycheck to paycheck and constantly stressing about money. It's a vicious cycle that can be overwhelming and demotivating. The truth is, traditional jobs often can't provide the financial security we need to live a comfortable life. In fact, many people struggle to make ends meet, working multiple jobs just to get by. It's exhausting, both physically and mentally. We're constantly worrying about how we'll pay our bills, how we'll put food on the table, and how we'll afford the things we need. It's a never-ending cycle of financial stress. This financial pressure can affect our relationships, our health, and our overall well-being. It's a burden that many of us carry every single day. But what if I told you there's a way out of this cycle? A way to break free from financial stress and live the life you've always wanted? That way is affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you can earn a steady income, work from anywhere, and live life on your own terms. Many people are already doing it, and you can too. Affiliate marketing is a game changer, and I'm excited to share with you how it works and how you can get started. So what is affiliate marketing exactly? In a nutshell, affiliate marketing is a way for individuals to earn commissions by promoting other people's products or services. It's a win-win situation for both the product creator and the affiliate marketer. The product creator gets more exposure and sales, while the affiliate marketer earns a commission for every sale made through their unique referral link. It's a simple yet powerful concept that has taken the online world by storm. There are many different types of affiliate programs out there, ranging from digital products to physical goods. And the best part is, you don't need any special skills or experience to get started. Affiliate marketing is open to anyone, regardless of their background or education. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or a retiree, you can start building a profitable affiliate marketing business from scratch. One of the most exciting things about affiliate marketing is the potential for passive income. Once you've set up your affiliate links, you can earn money while you sleep, travel, or simply enjoy your hobbies. It's a way to create financial freedom and live life on your own terms. I'd like to share with you a powerful success story of someone who transformed their financial situation through affiliate marketing. Susan, a single mom of 2, was struggling to make ends meet. She was working 2 jobs just to put food on the table, but she was still barely scraping by. One day, she discovered affiliate marketing and decided to give it a try. Within just 6 months, she was earning a full-time income from her affiliate marketing business. She was able to quit her jobs, spend more time with her kids, and live a life she never thought possible. What I love about Susan's story is that she didn't have any special skills or experience. She was just a regular person who took action and committed to building her affiliate marketing business. And the results speak for themselves. With affiliate marketing, Susan was able to transform her financial situation and live a life of freedom and abundance. So, what can you take away from today's video? Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to achieve financial freedom, regardless of your background or experience. It's a way to break free from the cycle of financial stress and live life on your own terms. You don't need any special skills or knowledge to get started. You just need to be willing to take action and commit to building your affiliate marketing business. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What are your thoughts on affiliate marketing? Have you ever tried it before? What are your goals and aspirations for your financial future? Share your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next video, where I'll be sharing more tips and strategies on how to succeed in affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching.